Those are fantastic painting ideas. Here are some additional thoughts to enhance each theme. Seasonal changes. Transitional moments. Capture the subtle changes between seasons, like the first snowflake falling or the first blossom of spring. Weather elements. Incorporate weather patterns such as rain showers, fog, or sunlight filtering through autumn leaves. Harvest celebrations. Cultural elements. Include traditional music, dance, or costumes to add cultural depth to your scenes. Community gatherings. Show people sharing meals, dancing, or playing games, highlighting the communal spirit of harvest celebrations. Agricultural heritage. Tool detail. Focus on the intricate details of traditional tools and machinery, using close-ups or still-life compositions. Work in progress. Paint scenes of farmers working with old-fashioned techniques, perhaps using oil paints to convey texture and depth. Nature's bounty. Composition variety. Experiment with different angles and perspectives, such as bird's-eye views of fields or close-ups of individual fruits and vegetables. Textural contrast. Play with textures, contrasting smooth fruits with rough bark or soft leaves with the hard surface of pumpkins and squash. These ideas should help you explore and expand your painting projects. Let me know if you need more inspiration or specific techniques.